God! Oh my God! Hello everybody! Hello everybody! Hello everybody! Hello everybody! Hello everybody!
We need more than hopes and wishes for us to make it through the night.
Bakit ito biglang ano to? Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm so legit YouTuber na kaya. Okay, tapos hindi pala totoo. Full of emotions na ako pero hindi pala totoo. Wait lang! Oh my God! I'm so happy! So, yung nasa gilid ako ng daan. Hindi ko na nahintay po. Oh my God! Isa na po akong totoong YouTuber! Oh my God! Oh my God! Guys, palakpakan nyo naman ako para... Oh my God! Oo. Salamat kuya, alam ko. Oh my God! Hello guys! May awarding ceremony. Thank you so much. OMG! Meron na akong silver button! Sa gilid ng daan! So, you've just done something that very few YouTube creator accomplish. Oh my gosh, naiyak ako. Sandali lang. Kala mo naman milestone. Yes, this is a milestone. Sandali. We know that number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Oh my gosh, road to 1 million subscribers na to. Ano pa bang ipapakita kung bukod sa room tour? And each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Oh, I'm so happy. Gusto ko kasi na-inspire ko lahat ng mga tao. A million subscriber may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Ako sa loob kasi ako ng PBB house. Ay, sa labas pala. But thank you, of course, YouTube. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko expect. Akala ko mga ilang room tour pa yung gagawin ko. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, sa lahat ng mga nag-view, nag-comment, mga bagong subscribers out there. This is it! Road to 1 million. Ang kapal na mukha ko, pero sana this year, 1 million. So thank you so much everybody. Thank you to YouTube and to everyone else na nanonood ng vlogs ko. I love you all so much! Mabuhay Philippines! Thank you so much, everybody! Bye! Silver button! Everybody! Ang may care sa akin. Tao po! Wala pa rin tao. Silver button! Everybody! Walang may care. I have my silver button. This is my PBB family! Meron palang may care kasi dun sa baba walang tao. Thank you so much everybody! Grabe, hindi ko talaga in-expect to. So dahil sa video na ito, medyo na-postpone po yung Blackpink video ko. So sa next video, totoo na po talaga dahil this is so unexpected and this is such a milestone in my life. Medyo OA lang po yung reaction ko ngayon but I'm so happy. Thank you so much everybody. Salamat kaayo, Sheshe, and everyone else. Thank you so much. So abangan, Blackpink! Bye!
Oh my gosh, we are now here in Singapore.